Walmart just put out their 2024 Black Friday deals, and I stopped everything that I was doing, made a whole list for y'all because they have some really good deals on here for home, and I just wanted to share them with y'all. So the Black Friday deals are going on right now, November 11th through the 17th. That's why I'm like, let me stop and let me show y'all what I found, because if y'all like me, y'all are always looking for a good deal, especially when it comes to decorating our home. Y'all, do y'all see this list? I have broken this list down for y'all into 4 different categories. So we have home, kitchen, outdoor, cleaning, and home gadgets. So I'm just gonna go through real quick and show y'all what Walmart has. I'm gonna be popping pictures up here on the screen. So let me move to the side. What side do I wanna be on? I think I'm more comfortable on this side. Okay. So I'm gonna be popping pictures up here on the screen, and so you guys can see, and then I will also have everything that I talked about linked below, and I will have it categorized just as I did here to make it easier for you to look down in the description. So let's get right into it so we can catch these deals. So first in the home category is a huge one, y'all. I found a 6-foot olive tree. If y'all are into home decor, then y'all already know how popular olive trees are and how expensive they can get. So I found a 6-foot olive tree for 34 bucks and definitely getting it. I definitely put it in my cart. I even had the idea of putting 2 of them together and really making it more full. And even 2 of them together, y'all, is saving you so much money, because the really big, huge ones or full ones are sometimes like $230. So you can get 2 of these for, what's that, $68, $70 and have a beautiful tree. So I'm definitely grabbing up this one. So next in the home category, we have floating shelves. So this is a floating shelf set for $15.19. Y'all can't beat it. It even comes in different tones. You have white and you have wood as well. Definitely recommend these. These are great if you are doing a bathroom makeover and just need some small shelving for your bathroom. Another very popular item that I found is a standing mirror. Again, y'all know how popular mirrors are. So I found a 64-inch mirror for $45.99. Again, y'all, that is a great price. Y'all already know mirrors can be $100 plus. So this is definitely a great Black Friday deal I would snatch up. It's 64 inches, so it is a little over 5 feet, which is pretty good for a bedroom size. If you are looking to decorate a living room and you have a larger space, then I would definitely look for a mirror that is larger than this, but this is a perfect size for a bedroom. All right, and in the way of mirrors, I also found another wall mirror, a 36 by 24 by Mainstay. Y'all, this one comes in gold and black. The price is $20. $20, y'all, $20. This is great if you have a small entryway, if you want this to go over an entryway table. It is perfect for that. Y'all, I couldn't believe the price, 20 bucks. $20 is crazy. So definitely check out the Mainstay 36 by 24 mirror, and in gold, so cute. So another decor piece that I found is a Cosley record player. And you might say, like, how is a record player a decor piece? Because personal interest pieces can definitely be decor pieces. This Cosley record player looks just so vintage and nostalgic. So when someone comes into your home and they see this, one, they automatically know that you are a music lover, and it just lets your space tell a story without you even having to say a word. All right, so another item that I found are the under cabinet lights. These are a set of 3 for $15.99. I actually use these in my closet area. I put them inside my closet boxes for softer lighting at night, but they can definitely go underneath your cabinet as well. These are rechargeable and remote operated, and this is a really good steal for a set of 3. Also for the home, I found a electric blanket, and it was $24.99, which is really good for the upcoming winter months. These are things that I would personally buy, so I decided to share them with you guys. So If you're loving it, give the video a thumbs up. And now we're about to move on to the next category, which is kitchen, where I found some really good deals. All right, so in kitchen, one of the best items that I found, I was shocked when I saw this, is a two quart slow cooker by Drew Barrymore, y'all, for $15. Walmart, are you ill? Are you ill? Giving away, listen, in my cart. Y'all, these are perfect, especially for parties. Like if you have different dips or whatever. 2 quart, so they're not huge, but they are a good size for 15 bucks for a 2-pack, and they are so pretty. Y'all have seen the Drew Barrymore line. If you haven't, check them out at Walmart. I think they look great and so chic, so highly recommend these. Y'all, $15, come on. Y'all buy 3-4 of these and give these away as gifts, honestly. All right, so then I found a mixing bowl set for $10. Again, this is another set that I think just looks really good. They come with the lids as well. You can get rid of all those old mix match bowls underneath your cabinets and just go with the one set for 10 bucks. Next, I found a Keurig Express for $29.88. If you love coffee but don't want to make whole pots and you just like the single cup coffees, then definitely try this Keurig Express. And another one in dishware that I found is the Anchor Hocking 30-piece glass set for $20. $20. Listen, y'all, Walmart is going to be getting my money because these are some great prices for what you're getting. A whole glass set for $20. Like, you can bake with this. I mean, you can use some of them as serving dishes. These look great, and the price, definitely affordable. So next up by Miss Drew Barrymore, we also have this beautiful white knife set with a cutting board. A knife set with a cutting board. Y'all, this one is a $38.88. Again, a great price for a knife set. And the fact that it comes with a cutting board is just a bonus. And then the color of it, it just looks so chic and so modern. Love it. And then I also found a counter ice maker. You might have seen some of these going viral on TikTok or whatever. Everyone is into the ice makers, but these are ones that you just set on your counter. So if you have an older refrigerator that might not have an ice maker, or if you want a different style of ice, because some of the ice makers make the little ice cubes that we all love, you know, that you like, the ice that you can get from Sonic. I don't know if this one does that, but I'll look and see. But this ice maker is $53.99. Again, it just sits on the countertop, so you'll always have ice available. And then lastly, in the kitchen department, which is one I was surprised to find, is the viral carrot cookware set. If you guys have been on TikTok, then you have seen this set everywhere. Well, Walmart has it for Black Friday at $59.99. Again, that is a deal because the regular price on this one, if I'm not mistaken, was $79. Yeah, I believe it was $79, 80 bucks. And so now Walmart is offering it for 20 bucks off at $59. So I would definitely suggest that one if you are in the market for a cook set, or if you know someone that may need one, it would be a great gift as well. All right, y'all, we are almost there. The 2 biggest categories are out the way. The next 3, outdoor cleaning and home gadgets, I don't have as many as I had in the home and kitchen category, but still got some good deals for you guys. If you are enjoying this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. All right, so next we are venturing outdoors. So in the outdoor area, first up, I found a fire pit, a 32-inch wood burning fire pit for $65. Now this one looks great. If you have an outdoor gazebo area, I don't suggest using it there because you don't want all the soot to go up and or all the smoke to go up and make soot on your roof. I would put it out there in the yard, but this one actually looks really nice. Again, it is a 32-inch wood burning fire pit for 65 bucks. Next, I found outdoor heaters. I'm sure y'all have seen these everywhere. This is a great price. They have these standing outdoor heaters for for $97. These look great on a patio, an outside dining area, if you want to still enjoy your outdoor area in the cooler winter months. Next up, I found an Adirondack chair for $83.99. Those of us that know, we know Adirondack chairs can get pretty expensive, especially the ones that are full wood like this one. So $83.99 is really a good price. These chairs normally run for $100, normally over $100. So $83.99 is a great price. These are great for a patio, a porch, or even just sitting on the yard in the back. All right, and for a decor piece on the patio, I found a mainstay egg swing chair for $148. Y'all, I'm sure have seen these as well. These look really cute and just add a cute little loungy space on your back patio. $148 is a great deal for this one, and I do believe that you can get the cushion in different colors as well. Next up, I found a 100-gallon deck box. Again, something that we definitely need here. This one is running for $73.99. 100 gallons, this is great for storage if you have things to store on your back patio. For instance, we have propane tanks that we just don't want to set out. So putting it inside that gallon box is great. If you have a pool and the kids have toys or whatever, a deck box is a great way to hide all the things and keep your space looking nice and neat. And then lastly, in the outdoor space, I also found a propane fire pit as well. So if you're not interested in the wood burning fire pit that I spoke about previously, you can try the propane pit. This one is $184.99. Of course, this one is a little bit more expensive, but I also think it looks great and it's still a great deal for the price. All right, moving right along. Next up, we have cleaning. So I found the Shark cordless vacuum for $144. A Shark cordless for $144 is pretty good. I love a cordless vacuum. I can go grab it real quick, clean up a space and put it right back. I don't have to deal with all the cords and all that good jazz. So definitely check out the Shark cordless. Next, I also found the Shark IQ 2-in-1 robot for $188. We here are definitely in the market for a robot vacuum. I have basically floors or hard floors all throughout my house. So I am constantly sweeping all day, every day, and I'm tired of sweeping. I need a robot. Husband, if you're watching this, I need a robot. $188, because you always ask me how much is it. $188. All right, next up, I also found a Hoover carpet cleaner, y'all, for $68. $68, a whole carpet cleaner. So this is really good if you have area rugs in your home or just spaces where you might need to touch up. Definitely suggest that. Great if you have pets as well. Next, I also found some dusters for $11.99, and this just comes with the stick and a different set of dusters. Great for dusting off your ceiling fans. $11.99, can't beat it. Great way for you to get up and clean off those ceiling fans and not have to worry about getting a step ladder or step stool or anything like that. And then lastly, in the cleaning department, I found the viral spin brush. Again, something that we saw on TikTok and all over social media. Everybody had the viral spin brush. I bought me one. I actually love it for cleaning my bathroom shower, the glass shower door in there. This viral spin brush I found for $24.69. All right, y'all stuck with me to the end. We're down to the very last category where I actually only have three. Yep, actually only have 3 items, but thank y'all so much for sticking around with me. I know this is a different type style video than from what I normally do, but again, I'm always looking for deals, so I know y'all are always looking for deals too, so I wanted to bring y'all the deals. So the very last category I have are the home gadgets. So in home gadgets or electronics, the very first thing that I saw that was a great deal is a 65-inch Samsung TV for $398. A 65-inch Samsung. We're not talking like off-brand. We talking main brand. 65-inch, $398. Okay, that's enough. Swipe your card. Then I also found an air purifier for $44.99. I think this is great. My husband, if he has really bad allergies, this is great to set in a room and to keep the air clear from dust and all of that, keep those allergies down. So an air purifier for $44.99. The last item that I found, which again, I'm seeing a lot of, is starting to kind of get popular and go a little bit viral, y'all. I found a really nice towel warmer. Now, I don't have one, but I'm tempted to get one because people say they are so nice. Stepping out the shower and just putting on a towel that is warm. Oh my God, I can feel it right now. Can't y'all?
Oh boy! Yes!
Listen, Walmart probably get my money on this one too. So the towel warmer is by K-Toxin, I believe is how you say the brand, and it is $83.99. Again, to me, it just looks so nice and chic. I think it would look really good in the corner of a bathroom. So yeah, I think I'm really, I want one. I want one. That is all that I have found at Walmart for Black Friday deals. Again, this sale is going on right now until the 17th. So don't miss out on any of the things that I spoke about here. Again, you can check the description box below. I will have everything linked there. It will take you straight over to Walmart where you can go ahead and purchase and put the things in your cart. All right. Thank y'all for watching again, and I will see y'all on the next video.